What is leverage? Leverage represents a margin trading ratio that enables traders to borrow a certain amount of money that allows them to trade in much bigger deals. Leverage allows one to trade using more money than they have in their account. Therefore, you leverage your account's balance to place a bigger trade. Currency rates more very slowly. This makes small trades unfashionable as they only return small profits and losses for every piplet changes. Therefore, leveraging helps one to trade in larger deals, hence amplifying their potential profits and losses. This is what we call leveraging. As you can see, with just $100, you leverage your account so that you can be in a position to trade with $10,000. That is what basically leverage is in Forex trading. Thank you so much. Just like and subscribe.